Do you need more traffic to your affiliate offers? Then this video is for you. I'm going to share with you 5 platforms that you can be on that will help you get more traffic towards your affiliate links. Let's go. Hold on, I haven't introduced myself. Before we go, hello, I'm Sophie. Welcome to my channel. I teach you how to turn a passion into a profitable business thanks to affiliate marketing. If you want to learn from me and the way I do this, then click the link below this video. We'll get started. So, how do you get more traffic towards your affiliate links? This is one of the major pain points affiliate marketers have, right? Especially when they get started. So here are a few ideas for you. Idea number 1, create a TikTok account. TikTok is a platform that is really booming. Now, I know you might not want to be on video, but you don't even have to be on video. Just create a TikTok account, create a channel. You can make faceless videos. There are loads of ways that you can do that, but really build your influence on TikTok. Once you reach 1,000 followers, you can have a clickable link. And you can put your favorite link in that bio of yours on TikTok. It will therefore naturally get more clicks and you'll be on your way to making more money. Way number 2 is Facebook, of course. Now, I know my children tell me nobody is on Facebook anymore, but actually many people still are on Facebook. It's a really good way to get attention towards your affiliate links. I would seriously advise opening maybe a Facebook group where you help people out with their problems in your niche, right? And then you naturally suggest the products that you are an affiliate for that are helping you personally. This is an absolutely great way to get more traffic towards your affiliate links. It's free, it just takes a little bit of time, but then you have the satisfaction of getting more clicks and making more sales and more affiliate commissions, right? Way number 3 is actually my personal favorite. It's YouTube. Of course, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. It comes only second to Google, and Google owns YouTube, right? So really, YouTube is a massive opportunity. You can make simple videos that help your audience with their problems, put your affiliate link in the description, and with a bit of time and perseverance and regular posting of videos, you will see more clicks, more sales, more commissions for you. Way number 4 is Pinterest. Now, big disclaimer, I really don't know much about Pinterest. But what I do know is that many people are on Pinterest, and depending on your niche, especially if you're in a niche where there's good visuals, maybe like gardening or food, right? It's a very good way to get more traffic to your offers, your affiliate links. So if you're interested in this method, definitely look it up. I don't have a recommendation personally because I've never really looked into it much, but I know it works extremely well and it's quite evergreen. Once you've got these pins on Pinterest, people share them, they repin them, and really they can find your content many months or maybe even years down the line. So give it a try. And my last idea for you is Clubhouse. Now you might be thinking, what? Clubhouse? What's Clubhouse? Well, it's an audio-only app. I have a lot of tutorials about Clubhouse on this YouTube channel. You can check them out. Clubhouse is an app that basically you meet in rooms and you chat about different topics. Now, it can be completely all kinds of different topics, but if you have something to share, something to teach, it can really be a great way to get traffic towards your links. Any links really, but if they're affiliate links, it's absolutely no problem. You can pin a link in the room where you're talking if it's your own room, and you can easily get people to click it, because as you are helping people out, people ask you questions, and you know, it naturally follows that you say, well, this link will tell you more. Click on it and you'll learn more. So it's a great way to get more traffic to your links, and it might still be a fairly small platform compared to the others I recommended, but that actually gives you an advantage, because if you get on Clubhouse now, you are among the pioneers of Clubhouse and your following will grow a lot faster than if you join in 2 or 3 years down the line, right? So, I hope you enjoyed this video and these tips on how to get free traffic towards your affiliate links. If you have any questions at all, post them in the comments below this video, of course. And if you want to learn from me how to make affiliate marketing commissions from YouTube, then click the link below this video. I make 4 figures with affiliate marketing thanks to this small YouTube channel. You can do the same, believe me. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my content. Next week, coming up, is 3 ways that you can do affiliate marketing without a website. So you want to watch out for that one. If you enjoyed this video, my guess is you'll enjoy this one next. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. See you next week.